Okay, one more time. Where is Canada? Good job. What's this?
Japan.
Japan. What about this one?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. What about this one?
China.
China. Awesome. What about this one? Big yellow.
Russia.
What?
A big yellow Russia.
Big yellow Russia.
A big yellow Russia.
Okay. What about this one?
India.
India. Is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
India.
India was born there, and Sri Krishna was born there too. What is this, sweetie?
Greenland.
What?
Greenland.
Greenland. What is this?
America.
America. Where's Australia? Show Mama Australia. What color is Australia?
Yellow.
Where's New Zealand?
New Zealand. New Zealand is orange.
Good job. New Zealand is orange. Where is France? Whoa, it's in Europe. What color is France?
Blue.
Brown. You gotta learn to speak French one day, right, Roddy? Where's the ocean? Ocean. What color is the ocean, sweetie?
Blue.
Blue. Where's the earth? That one? Yeah. Good job. Wow. Where's Canada again? Show Mama Canada.
Tata and Pablo in Canada.
Oh no, he's in India. Your family's in Canada, right here.
Canada.